This platform I'm about showing you will pay you in naira and also in dollar. You can also use this as a guaranteed side hustle. So if you're interested, just pay attention. Let me show you how this platform works. Making money online is very sweet as you can do this from the comfort of your home. But before I continue with this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joaquin. And so what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the links down there in the video description. Also note that I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you start up on platforms like this. So right here, guys, you can see that my total assets, which is my total balance I have, is 20 USDT. And guys, let me say I'm going to withdraw right here, and I'm going to tap on this withdraw button. So right here, guys, you can see that they have different withdrawal methods. You can actually withdraw using your USDT or your TRX. But for me, I prefer using my local bank account. So I just need to come over to the currency. So once I tap on currency, I'm just going to select my country over here, which is the NGN. So you can see right here that my total balance has converted to naira. The 20 USDT I have right here will be converted to naira, which is the 33,334 naira. Okay, so right over here, I'm going to place a withdrawal of 30,000 naira on this my account. So what I just need to do is to input my payment details and place a withdrawal. So I'm just going to come over here and input 30,000 naira. As you can see right here that the rate of USDT is 1,666 naira. Okay, and also the transaction fee is 1,500 naira. So I'm getting a credited amount of 28,500 naira. So I just need to come down here and input my bank details, then select my bank over here and confirm this transaction. So I've actually inputted my bank details. All I just need to do is to tap on submit. As you can see right here, withdraw 30,000 naira, transaction fee is 5%, then actual received will be 28,500 naira. So I just need to come over here and click on send, then a code will be sent to my email address. So I just need to confirm this. So actually this is the code sent to me. I just have to copy this code, then head over to my account. So I just need to come over here and paste this code, then come down to confirm this transaction. As you can see, withdraw success. As you can see right on the screen, success, 30,000 naira has been withdrawn straight to my OPay account, and I'll be receiving the fund of 28,500 naira. So right over here, you can see that the status says pending review. So by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing the alert received from this platform. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this platform to earn every day for yourself, and also how you can withdraw your earnings, and also show you other ways you can earn on this platform. And so guys, the very first thing you want to do is to click the first link below the description of this video, and it's going to take you over to this interface. All you just need to do is to input your email address, then you click on next. A verification code will be sent to your email address. All you just need to do is to copy that code, then input it over the box, then click on submit to create an account for yourself. So after you might have registered your account, you're going to see an interface like this. You can actually see the calculator, the invite, the copy trading, and also the simulation. So all you just need to do is to come down here to click on top trade. So guys, this is where you can actually carry out trade. You can actually see the market view right here. You can see the BTC stroke the USDT on this particular surface. Also, you can see the time of the trade, the 1 minute, the 3 minutes, and also the 5 minutes. Also at the top, you can see the issuing number, which is the active number for current trade. Also, when you come down, you can see the big trade, the small trade, the odd, and the evil trades. Okay, so right down here it says enter quantity, which is the amount you want to use to place trade. So guys, in order for us to place trade, we need to fund our account. All you just need to do is to come over this asset, then come over to recharge. Once you click on recharge, you can actually see that you can recharge using your USDT or your TRX, but I prefer using my local currency, so I just have to click on fiat currency. Okay, once you click on fiat currency, you just have to select your currency. So for me, I'm actually from Nigeria, so I just have to come down to click on the NGN. So once I click on the NGN, I just have to come down here and input the amount. As you can see right here that the minimum amount on this platform is 3,000 naira. So I'll be funding my account with 3,000 naira. You either input the 3,000 naira here, or you come down here to click on 3,000 naira. So once you've actually done that, you just have to come down here and click on next. So once you click on next, you just have to click on pay now. Okay, so once you click on pay now, they'll be asking you to proceed the payment. You just have to confirm the transaction. So once you click on that, it's going to direct you over to a page where you can actually copy an account number and make payments to this platform. All right, so this is actually the account number that you're actually sending this particular amount to. You just have to come down here and tap on copy. So once you actually copy this, you just have to head over to your bank app and transfer the amount of 3,000 naira to this platform. So right now you can see that the payment has been made successfully. So let's head over to our account to confirm this. So right here guys, you can see that the funding has actually reflected on my account. So after you might have recharged, just head over to your home button. Okay, you can actually see this calculator. You can tap the second link on the description to come over this calculator. So all you want to do is to input the amount you want to use for this trading. So I'm just going to input 3 USDT. Right now, you can see the stages of this calculator. The 7 stage, 8, 9, and 10 stages. So I like going for the 8 stages right here. So like I said, the trading calculator is going to help you spread your trading capital into different phases. So for instance, when you make a trade with the phase 1 and you made a loss, head over to the phase 2, and if you also made a loss, move to the phase 3. And if you actually made a profit with the phase 3, all you need to do right now is to go back to phase 1 and continue trading with phase 1 amount. So in summary, when you make a loss from phase 1 to phase 5 and you made a profit in phase 6, all you need to do is to return back to phase 1 and keep trading with phase 1. Now let me say you made a loss from phase 1 to phase 8. This platform is going to give you back your trading capital. After learning how to use the Conwise calculator, the next thing for you to do is to carry out trade. So to carry out trade, all you just need to do is to come over this home button. So once you come over this home button, you just have to come down here and tap on top trade. So this is actually the marketplace. Kindly note that I'll be leaving a link to the free signal group that you'll be using to trade. You can actually find this link below the description of this video. So guys, this is the trading group. So right here, I'm going to show you how you can read these trading signals in order for you to carry out trade. So guys, in trading on this platform, you just have to focus on the period ID and also the trade. What you just need to do is to come here and you see that the period ID for this is 36 and the access to trade small. So once you come here, you can see that the period ID has actually changed to 37. So just take note of this. Please make sure you're trading according to the signals you're getting from the Telegram channel. When you come back here, you can actually see that the period ID is saying 837. That is the last number, and it's asking us to trade small. So when you come here, you can actually see 837 and the access to trade small. But we can't actually meet up with this trade. You just have to wait for the next trade. But before that, you need to go over to your calculator. You can see that due to the little amounts I'm actually using to trade, the trade amount is saying I should trade 0.01 on this particular transaction. So right now to trade, you can see that it says 838 and we're actually trading small. So let's wait for the other signal to drop so we can actually trade. We can actually meet up with this. So you just need to be fast with your trading on this platform. So right now it says period ID 839 and we should trade big. So what you just need to do is to come over here, which is the 839, and we should trade big. Okay, so once you come over here, you just come over to big. You're actually trading big, then you come down here and input your quantity, which is the 0.01. Then you hit on trade. Okay, so once you hit on trade, you can actually see that we actually generated this trade. So that is how you trade on this platform. So you get signals from the Telegram channel and actually go over to your account to trade. Right now it's saying that we should trade even. Okay, and you can see that the period ID is 841. So once you go over to your account, you can see that we are actually trading 1 minute and we are actually seeing it as 841, which is the even. If we can meet up with this, so we are going for even and we are coming down here to put in our figure. Okay, then we come down here and select trade. You can actually see that this is actually a win for me on my account right now. So like I said, that is how to trade on this platform. All you just need to do is to get signals from here and go over to your account and actually take these signals to trade. And so other ways of earning on this platform is by taking tags and also referring your friends. So once you come over to invite, you can actually come down and copy your affiliate link, then share with your friends. Then you also get commission for every person you bring to this platform. If you have any issues with your account, you can actually quickly contact the customer service for assistance. Once you come over here, you can actually see their WhatsApp and their Telegram channel to contact them for assistance. And so guys, I just received the credit alert placed on this platform. As you can see right now, the full details of this transaction. Thank you for watching guys. Please do well to like this video and drop a comment if you got value from this video.